Hi, this is Raju. I represent Lexicon Mile, and we are going to have a small discussion on a very famous quote by Jack Welch. So, Jack Welch made this very important quote. It was change or die. Now, what did he mean by that in the context of marketing? So, I'll give you an example of Ambassador. Ambassador is a Hindustan Motor product. It is no longer there in the Indian markets. Production stopped a few years back. It was modeled along the lines of an English car by name Morris. It was the market leader for a very decent period of time, easily 30 to 40 years. But at this point of time, just because it refused to change, it is no longer there in the Indian market. And what is it that happened to Hindustan Motors? It did not realize that the Indian consumer wanted a car for so many separate reasons, but one particular reason was the feeling of esteem that was associated with it. And that is something which Maruti understood. When Maruti came into the country somewhere around 1982, that is just after the Asiad Games, their car was smaller, their car was more compact, and it was priced much less than the Hindustan Motors Ambassador version. As a consequence, the entire market shifted from Ambassador to Maruti. Although there were a lot of fears about the sturdiness of Maruti, but still, just because it was a car, it clicked in the Indian context. That is why Jack Welch says change or die. If Ambassador would have changed when it should have, it would have remained in the market. Maruti sensed the customer well and therefore continues to remain in the market. The second example I have is that of Colgate. Colgate has always been the market leader, always gave the typical white paste, and from generations, that was the only variation that was available as far as Colgate was concerned. There was never a thought of change, there was never a thought of trying to attract customers because there was never a need for it. Close-Up came up with the gel versions, so the gel version was priced at the youth. So we had the red colored gel paste, you had the blue colored paste, green colored paste, and what happened was the younger generation slowly started moving away from Colgate to Close-Up. As a consequence of this, Colgate started steadily losing market share, but again, as Jack Welch said, refused to change, continued to persist with the white paste for a long period of time. It was much later, by the time Close-Up had actually established itself in the Indian markets, had decent market share, then Colgate decided to change and came up with its first blue gel variant. At this point of time, when you're looking at Colgate, you have so many variations, right from the Ayurvedic one to the salt one to the charcoal one and so on and so forth. Now, it is definitely changing with times. So the marketing mantra you need to actually remember, change or die. That's a paradigm. That is something which Jack Welch from GE recognized a long time back. That is what makes companies survive. Thank you.